Unboxing. Small size screw. Washer. Medium size screw. Large screw. Silicone pad. Armrest pipe. Foot tube. User manual. Left mainframe pipe. Right mainframe pipe. Backrest. Upper connecting pipe. Lower connecting pipe. Backrest tube. C-plate. Please refer to the user manual. Assemble. Step 1. Use medium-sized screws to screw the left and right mainframe tubes into the C-plate. Use medium screws only. Using the wrong size may damage the chair. Step 2. Fix the backrest tube onto the main frame tube and tighten it with large screws. Step 3. Insert the left and right armrests into both sides of the main frame tube separately. Step 4. Lock the backrest onto the backrest tube with medium screws and washers. Step 5. Insert the 4 foot tubes into the main frame tube. Ensure all legs are even and fully locked. Step 6. Stack the upper and lower connecting pipes and lock them with small screws and washers. Secure it with large screws and washers around the perimeter. Place silicone seat cushions according to requirements. Height adjustment. Press down on the leg marbles and adjust to the right height.